In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PowerDirector app on Android. By the end, you'll have the PowerDirector video editor installed and ready to open. Plus, I'll show you an optional, quick way to place it on your home screen so it's always easy to find. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. This is the official app marketplace for Android. You'll usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen, and if it's not there, check your app list, the app drawer, with all your installed apps. Make sure you have an internet connection so the download can complete smoothly. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. This brings up the keyboard so you can type in exactly what you're looking for. In the search bar, type PowerDirector. Spelling it correctly helps the Play Store show you the right result right away. Now look for the listing that says PowerDirector Video Editor and make sure it's the one by Cyberlink Corp. Confirming the developer name helps you get the official, trusted version of the app. When you see it, tap the app to open its details page. Here, you can quickly glance at the screenshots and description to make sure it matches what you want to install. On the app page, press the Install button. Your phone will start downloading the app and then install it automatically. You'll see a progress indicator, and the time it takes depends on your internet speed and available storage. Just let it run. No need to tap anything else while it's working. If you're on mobile data, be mindful of your data plan. A stable Wi-Fi connection is often faster and more reliable. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to start using the app. That launches PowerDirector immediately so you can begin exploring its features and editing tools right away. If you want even quicker access next time, here's an optional tip to add PowerDirector to your home screen. Open your app drawer to view all your apps. Find PowerDirector in the list. Press and hold the PowerDirector icon until your home screen appears, then drag the icon to the spot you prefer and release it. That's it. Now it's only a single tap away whenever you're ready to edit, and you're done. You opened the Google Play Store, searched for PowerDirector, chose the official app by Cyberlink Corp, installed it, and opened it. Plus, you learned how to add it to your home screen for easy access. Enjoy creating and editing your videos with PowerDirector on Android.